Well, hello there. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on when and where you are watching. My name is Cecilia Morris, and I'm your engineer by education and your home business owner by desire. And I like to share information with you if you are an affiliate or network marketer that is interested in learning how to take your brand and your business online and avoid some of the pitfalls and mistakes that I made when I did the very same thing 2 short years ago. So today I'm going to talk about how to make your social media pages work for you. So what I mean by that is, you've got this page out there and you're just not getting the engagement or the traction with it that you like. Hey, Felisa, thank you for joining. Oh, my glasses are getting fogged up. Whew, it must be hot. But yeah, so you're not getting the traction or engagement that you want. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So for those who don't know me, once again, yes, my name is Cecilia Morris, and I am a degreed engineer, but I have been in the home business arena for over 10 years. And like I said, 2 short years ago, I took my business online to help teach people in the network and affiliate marketing arena how to use digital marketing strategies to build their brand and their business online. So if you are joining for the first time, give me a 5 in the comments. If you've seen me before, give me a fist bump or a wave just to say hello. Also, feel free to comment and give me your name and where you're watching from. Oh, you can hear me. That's a good thing. So then that way I can say hello and give you a shout out. And if you're getting value from this information, please like, comment, and share with those that you know. All right, so before we get started, let me go ahead and get this shared, and then I will go ahead and start with today's lesson on how to make your social media pages work for you. And this is for Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, because those are the only ones I know. I don't get into that Snapchat thing too much. But what I'm going to tell you about today will work with any of those pages. So let me get this shared and we'll go ahead and get started. Thank you once again for those who are joining in. Oh, and if you catch the replay, give me a hashtag replay so that way I know that you are joining in on the conversation. All right, so the first step is you want to make sure that you position yourself to your target market as an expert and authority. So what I see a lot with my clients and their Facebook pages or their LinkedIn pages is that it does not tell people what's in it for them. Like, why are you here? They want to know what you can do for them. That's it. At the end of the day, that's what we all want to know. What's in it for me? What's in it for me? So your page has to catch their attention. I believe you've got 9 seconds to grab their attention before they're scrolling on to something else. And what you want from them on your page is you want to have a picture of yourself. That's first and foremost. You want to say what it is that you're there to do. So like, for instance, if you go to my page, hi, George, thank you. I appreciate having you here. If you go to my page, you will see that I say helping you build your brand and your business online. So there it is, boom, right there. I tell you what this page is about. And that's what you want to do with your page as well. You want to position yourself, as always, you know me and my notes, right? You want to position yourself as an authority and an expert in your niche. And the best way to do that is to make sure that your cover is attention grabbing. I had one lady that I was considering bringing on board as one of my clients, and she's in real estate. And the picture on her front page was a picture of this beautiful house, but there was no words to say what she was about. It was just a beautiful house. So if I was, say, looking for somebody in real estate and I'm scrolling through and all I see is a picture of a nice house, I think she did have a picture of herself off to the side as well. But if I see a picture of that house, that's not telling me things. Is that your house? Is that your cousin's house? Is that the house that you dream of having one day? Who knows? So you want to make sure that on your page you have some verbiage that says what you're about. And if you have trouble doing that, guess what? You can go to canva.com. That's canva.com. You want to upload a Facebook banner, I believe is what it's called. Then you want to upload your picture, and then you want to click text, click add subheading or add heading, and then just put some text on there that says what it is you're about. Boom, simple as that. And now when people scroll through your page, they will know immediately what's in it for them. Number 2 is you want to make your content congruent with your brand. So, for instance, I'm only going to use myself as an example again. So if my heading says I'm here to help you build or helping you build your brand and your business online, but then the only thing I post about are recipes or fluff stuff, or all I post is motivation and inspiration, none of my posts are consistent with my brand, because none of that is telling you how to build your brand and your business online. I'm just posting fluff or stuff that's totally irrelevant. So you have to have congruence congruency. Congruency is where your message matches your meaning. Your brand is how you bring those together. So you want to make sure that your message matches what you mean to convey to the public about what you are there to do for them. That is number 2, congruency. And then number 3 is you want to provide a variety of different content types. So you can have motivation, inspiration. You can do videos. If you are not doing videos, I can't impress upon you how serious you need to get about doing videos. Videos is the way to get the most organic traffic from Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube out there. And with your videos, because it's organic traffic, that means traffic that you don't have to pay for. So you want to make sure if you are not using videos, get comfortable in front of that camera, because it will definitely make a difference in the people who see your page and who watch your video. Not only that, people who like your video, guess what? You can click on the little hearts or the thumbs up sign on your page, and it'll show you who's actually liked your page. And if they haven't liked your page, you can invite them to like your page. So not only are you getting free organic traffic from Facebook, but you're also able to broaden your fan base, because people can like a specific post that you do and not like your page. But if you click on the little icon, I don't know if you can see me here. No, because you can't see my screen. But if you click on the icons, the hearts, the likes, the smiles, if you click on those, you can then invite them to like your page. So you just got a double whammy from doing a video of growing your fan base on Facebook. All right, so those are the 3 things that you need to do to make your social media sites work for you. And one of the things that's not in here, but I also suggest, is you want congruency across your different platforms. So if you go to YouTube, my cover photo on YouTube is the same as my cover photo on Facebook, which is the same as my cover photo on LinkedIn. So you have to have congruency across platforms, so that way people know when they see you that you are consistent across the board. And if you'll notice, my videos, when I post them on Facebook, unless it's a specific video, you will find that same video on YouTube and also LinkedIn. So if you do happen to float on over to LinkedIn or YouTube, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. They're called connections. Let me see, George. Yes, you're right. I got a lot more exposure. Yep, going live. It does it. Yep, you're so right. George says he gets a lot more exposure and interaction since he started going live. And it happens organically. You don't have to pay for it. And if you do pay for it, as I've said before, you can boost a video for $20 for 14 days. That's like $1.42 a day. But Facebook will put it out there to people that are more likely to see it. And you can have 500 or 600 views by the end of the week for like less than $10. And you can shut it off whenever. You don't have to run it for the whole 14 days or the whole $20. Just an example. That's one of those extra little tips, those nuggets that I throw out there just to let you know how inexpensive it is to advertise yourself. But anyway, as I was saying, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. And then, of course, LinkedIn is more of a business platform, but I am sharing business tools, so I don't mind putting myself out there on LinkedIn. And then there's also YouTube, which has a lot of my videos on there as well. But there are some videos that I do have that are specific to YouTube that you will not find on Facebook or LinkedIn. And I'm going to start doing more of that as well. All right, so let's round this out because we're coming up on our 10 minutes. So remember the 3 things you need to do to make your social media pages work for you is to position yourself in your target market as an expert and authority. You want to make sure that there's congruency in your message and in what you post on your social media sites. And you want to provide a variety of content types. You want to do blogs, you want to do videos, you want to just maybe do a long post that somebody can read and then click off to your website or something else. But you want to have some variety in there. But most importantly, you want to make sure that you are consistent across all social media platforms. So wherever you are, people get the same message and they see the same thing. All right. So if you want some help developing your online brand, you can click the link that I'm going to put in the comments below, or you can give me a 7 and I will send you my calendar and we will have a one-on-one personal business discovery call to talk about where you're at with your business, where you want to go, and how I can help you bridge the gap. And I believe that is it for today. I appreciate you joining in. George, very nice to have you. I hope you come back for more. And always, please feel free, if you're watching this or the replay, to like, comment, and share with those that you know. Remember, again, I am Cecilia Morris, your engineer by education, your home business owner by desire. And I like to help networking and affiliate marketers learn how to use digital marketing strategies to build their brand and their business online properly. So you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk with you again next time.